Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to connect this card to a hotspot. So all you need to do is swipe to the left a few times to open the settings. If you see the GLB icon, let's tap settings. The settings start with the assistance. This is the first tab, but if you go to the fourth tab, the system, you will get access to the left menu, which we need. So now let's scroll down to select Internet and Bluetooth. As you can see, if you choose here Manage Internet Access, you can see that the device is connected to the Mi data package, and it's using the Mi data package to have the internet, but you can also choose search access to see some alternative internet access. And as you can see, you can select one of the following hotspot, for example, the one from my from my phone. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.